Hello friends, myself Anand Deshmukh. Today we will discuss on the concept of interface which is related to our 12th assignments for the advanced data structures lab. So we will see one by one exactly what is the meaning of interfaces, why we are using the interfaces, how to declare the interfaces, how to define the interfaces, and it's on a single sample program for an interface which is useful for our assignment. Now we will see exactly what is the meaning of interface. Basically, the interface is a Java mechanism which is used to achieve the concept of abstraction. So you can say interface is nothing but the blueprint of class with the only declaration of the abstract methods, not a body of that methods. By using these interfaces, you can achieve the exactly abstraction features in a Java. Now, why we are using these interfaces? In these interfaces, there are three reasons for using in Java. So the first reason is user to achieving the abstraction. By using these interfaces, we can implement the functionality of multiple inheritance. By using this interface, we can implement or achieve the concept of loose coupling. So this is the very important features in Java. Now we will see the next step, how to declare that interfaces and exactly how to write the code for the interfaces and how to implement that interfaces into the class. For declaring the interfaces, there are three rules. The first one, declaring the interface with the keyword, interface keyword, and in interfacing we can declaring only the methods, not a body of the method. Third thing is all the methods in interfaces are public, static, and final by default. So now we can see how to declare the interfaces. Here we can see I'm creating only the printable interface. Printable is the name of interface and interface is a keyword which is used for creating the interfaces. In that interfaces you can declare the static, you can declare the abstract methods, not the body of these methods. Now we will see exactly how to write the code for the interfaces. For writing this code in the Java, you can use the many more editors. From that I am using Eclipse. If you are good in Eclipse, you can go with Eclipse, otherwise you can go any another tool. Here I am giving the information about Eclipse, how to start the code, how to start the code or how to write the code in Eclipse editor. So here we will start with exactly how to create the project. So the first you have to click on file button. After clicking on the file, you have to go with new. After selecting new, you have to give the drop down menu. From that you have to select the Java project. In some cases, in first time there is not availability of the Java project. In that case you have to go with the other button. There is a surely Java project option, you have to select that Java project option. After selecting that Java project option, you have to mention here the project name. So the project name I am giving demo 2. It depends on you, you can give any name for creating the projects. Here they are using the execution environment, that is Java SE 1.8. so all these the configurations for creating the Java files. After giving this project name, you have to finish it. After finishing, the demo two folder is visible in this passage. So if you are clicking on this demo, there are again two subfolders, one for the library and one for the source code. Here there is a feature in Eclipse to creating a class with only single clicks. In that class you can create also you can create also the main method on only click on a single. You can create only on a single click. Here I am giving the demo. If you are clicking on the simple project name demo2, give the right click. After right clicking, there is a new option. Go with the new option. After click on the new, again the drop down menu, you have to select a class. After selecting the class, you have to mention here the class name. I'm giving this class name is sample. Right, I'm giving the name sample. After creating a class with a sample name, if you want to create a main method, here you have to just click on this public static void main method and just you have to finish it. After finishing, you're available the editor to write the code. If you are seeing here, if you are seeing here, there is a class with a sample name, and that class we are creating the main method on providing a single click. Right, now we will start how to declare the interface. I earlier mentioned how to declare the interface. How to declare the interface? Interfaces are declared with the keyword interface. Right, interface keyword with the interface name. I am giving the name that is printable. Right, after creating this interface, you have to mention here name of the methods, name of the fields, as your choice what you want to implement. Here I am giving just a sample function for executing the interface. I am giving the name that is print. Here you can see I am just declaring the function. Right, after creating the interface, you have to implement this interface in a class. Before that, I have to mention one thing. If you know the inheritance, we can extend the one class to another class. We can extend only one interface to another interface, but when I'm going to connect with the interface and class, I have to implement that interface into the class with using the implement keyword. So here I have to mention the keyword that is implements keyword with the interface name that is printable. Right, if you understand this, how to implement the printable, here I'm mentioning the interface name. After mentioning the interface name, when I want to implement that interface in a class, I have to mention class name, implement keyword. After implements keyword, you have to take care of the spellings. Right, this one is the method to exactly how to extend or how to implement the interface into the class. Now there is a important thing, that is how to write the method in a interface keyword. There are two main things: declaring the interface and implement the interface. Now how to write the code? Here you have to write here directly public void print. Right, here I am giving just a single message, system.out.println. right? Println, and here just providing the message print the document, right? After defining this method, now the main thing is creating the object, and after creating the object we have to call the function by using that object. If you know the basic concept of Java, how to create the object, there is a class name is sample, class name is sample, class name space object name equal to new keyword. You have to create the instance for sample. After creating the object you have to call the function. Now how to call the function? By using object name dot function name. So what is the object name? There is a obj is a object name dot, what is the function name? That is print. Yes, that's it. We have done almost the concept of interface. Now we have to execute the code. I have just give the review how to create the interface. In this case we are creating the interfaces with the name of printable. I am just declaring the static method. After declaring the interfaces, I am just implement that printable interface in a sample class. It means I am defining the method which will be mentioned in the interface. Now it's a simple method which is the core concept of Java, how to create the object. After creating the instance, I have to just call the method which will be declared in the interface. That's it. After creating that object, you have to call that function. So this is the simple and basic code of creating the interfaces. Now we are going to execute it. Yes, you can see the object, you can see the output that will be mentioned in print the document, which will be mentioned in the print function. So that is the way to create the interface. By using this concept, we are going to implement the 12th assignment. In that assignment you have to implement the concept of interfaces and packages. From that, here we are seeing only the interfaces. Now in second lecture we can try to implement the packages. So here firstly we have to start with the interface. First understand the concept and try to implement it. That's it. Thank you.